First, you want to turn your wheel to the right. Next, what we're going to want to do is we're going to remove the 5.5 millimeter screws. There's 1, 2, 3. Get this plastic out of the way. Now we have a clear view of what's going on from behind the bumper. So next we're going to disconnect the wiring. To do that, you squeeze this little push tab and it should pull right off. Next you're going to notice that there's metal clips that hold the plastic of the assembly to the plastic bumper. You want to remove those clips. They should be fairly difficult to take off. That's what it looks like. Do the same to the other one. Awesome. Next, we'll remove the assembly. Let's get ready for an install. Slide your tabs into the holes in the plastic bumper and line it up to where it needs to go. Next, we're going to reinstall our metal clips. Should slide right on. Get it on there. Okay, give it a tug. That feels great. Reconnect the wiring. Give it a tug. Reinstall your 3 screws. Straighten out your wheel and test your light.